Hello, my name is Daniel and welcome to TechTekk. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use macOS to set up the dashcam in your Tesla so you can use Sentry Mode. So before we head over to the Mac and get things set up, all you need to get started is either a hard drive like this one. This one's a Toshiba 500GB hard drive. Or you could use a pen stick like this one, or a USB drive, or I thought they'll also call them a thumb drive as well. This one's a Philips 32GB. It doesn't really matter which one you use. They both work. I guess the more memory you have, the more footage you'll be able to store. But after a certain amount of time anyway, the Tesla will override. So it's not a huge problem if you do run out of space. So the first thing you need to do once you head over onto your Mac is to plug in the hard drive or the USB stick into your computer and just wait for it to load up. Then all you need to do is click on Command and Space and search for Disk Utility. Now you can either do it this way, or you can actually go into the Finder up here and go into New Finder window, or into New Finder. And then you can go into your Applications folder and then scroll all the way down to the bottom to where it says Utilities, and then again scroll all the way a bit down and click on Disk Utility here. And there we have it. So now we're into Disk Utility, and once we're here, all we need to do now is look on the left hand side for your USB drive, which in this case is the Toshiba one, and then we just go up here to where it says Erase. Now, what it will ask you is for a unique name. So for this one, I'm just going to call it Tesla Cam because it's for the Tesla. And for the format, we want MS-DOS FAT. Now, once those two are selected, we can just click the Erase button, and that will completely format that hard drive ready for the Tesla. Now, once that's done, we can click the close on that one. So the next thing we need to do, once we've formatted the hard drive, is open up a Finder window. Now you can do that by clicking Command Space and then just searching for Finder. That's how I would do it. Or you can go into your dock at the bottom and go into a Finder window there. And then what we need to do is just scroll down on the left hand side where it says Locations and click on the hard drive and whatever name you've called it. Just remember that name, what you've called it there, could be anything. So just make sure you get the right one. And then once we're in this inside the hard drive, we just want to create a new folder. And we're going to call this one Tesla Cam again. But we've got to make sure that this one is written in this way. So with a capital T and a capital C. So once we've named the folder with inside the hard drive Tesla Cam, we can go ahead now and click on the eject button. And we're all finished with the Mac. So we can go and jump into the Tesla and go get things set up over there. Okay, so the first thing you need to do when you get into your Tesla is find where the USB ports are. Now in Tesla Model 3, they are down here. They're just located underneath, and I actually have a USB connector plugged in here, which we can talk about in another video. But we can, the one that says data and power, just plug in your hard drive like so. Just wait for it to boot up. Mine has a little light on it, so you can see that it's on. And that is it for that. So you can close this all back up. Then what you need to do is you go into your control settings and you scroll down to safety and security, and you just turn Sentry Mode on. Now you have a couple of settings here. You can exclude from home, which I always do because there's no point if you're on a driveway like this, but if you're on the road, then I'd include that on. You can exclude work, same sort of scenario, and exclude your favorites if you want to. So I normally just turn the home off and leave the rest on. And then you can also have the settings here to save clips on honk. So that's when you honk your horn, it will save to the device. And then you can also format the USB device from your car. So that is it for this video. If you did enjoy it, give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new around here, why not consider subscribing? Because we have plenty more videos on electric vehicles, autonomy, and consumer tech. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.